yourself. So today, we're going to make pan-seared scallops with a garlic herb butter sauce. Welcome to Food of Love with Chef Dad. You know what to do. Want to make something delicious? Let's get started. A featured recipe at many high-end restaurants are their scallops. These luscious, sweet, smooth little delicacies may be a cause for intimidation by many home cooks. How can I possibly do that, right? Well, it turns out that scallops are incredibly simple and even fast to make yourself. I promise you that you will love it and be delighted by the cooking process. Turns out, Food of Love doesn't have to use every pan in the house. How did the seahorse win the race? He scalloped. Let's talk ingredients. The scallops work best when fresh, and I generally like using larger scallops, such as U10. That means under 10 scallops per pound. The dry ingredients you probably have, except for maybe the hot Hungarian paprika. I would not use smoked paprika. If you do have sweet paprika, add a little bit of cayenne powder. Why the flour, you ask? It helps build a delicious crust on the scallops and will also help thicken the sauce a little bit in the end. I absolutely love lemon zest. I'm a maniac on how to get all the lemon zest off the lemon carefully. So I'm going to show you how to do it here. You can see me using this microplane grater, and I'm going to just keep turning the lemon underneath it until I get all of this delicious zest right off the lemon. The nice thing about lemon zest is it has all the lemony flavor that a lemon has, and it doesn't have the sour flavors. So if you want a little extra lemoniness, use the zest. Now, this entire cook is going to take 10 minutes or less. Your prep is going to take much longer. So if you have any sides to make today, get them going ahead of time before you start cooking the scallops themselves. Now you're going to want to thoroughly dry your scallops. It will help them sear better. We're going to mix together the salt, the pepper, the paprika, and the flour. Then we're going to place all of our scallops in a tray, and we're going to sprinkle this mixture only on the top surface. All right, now we're going to heat a fry pan on medium-high heat and make sure you get it ripping hot. Then we're going to add the ghee, okay? And then we're going to put the scallops seasoned side down. Once they're down, we're going to turn down the heat a little bit, and we're going to season the top side. We're going to give this 2 minutes tops and set a timer. Then we're going to turn them over, give it 2 more minutes, and then remove from heat. You can see the beautiful crust that's formed on these scallops. They're making my mouth water. Now we're going to deglaze the pan with white wine and release any fond that's formed. Now we'll add the butter, and when it's melted, we'll add the shallots until they're softened. Then we'll add the garlic only briefly so that it doesn't burn. We'll turn off the burner, and now we're going to finish with the lemon juice, the zest, and the fresh herbs. Serve immediately, spooning the mixture over the scallops. What was the scallops' strategy for fame and fortune? Shuck and awe. All right, you ready to taste this? It smells incredible. Total cook time was like 6 minutes. Let's take a look. It's like butter. Perfectly cooked through. The crust came out great. The shallots and the garlic really add, and the butter melts perfectly with the scallop. It's so easy, it'll blow your mind. You have to try it.